You are looking at the largest structure in the known universe, a galaxy clustered 4 billion light years away. Those dots of light, they're all galaxies. And those galaxies, they're all held together by something that we can't see. More than 80% of the universe is made of something invisible. Scientists call it dark matter. But what is it really? Hi, and welcome to this channel. You might think that what we see is all there is, but scientists disagree. They say there's an entire universe hiding in plain sight, made of stuff that's invisible to us. It's called dark matter, and while we can't see it, we know it's there because of what it does. Dark matter doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect light, so it's invisible to telescopes. Yet somehow it exerts a powerful gravitational pull. And we know from studying how light bends around massive objects that gravity distorts space-time. So, by studying how space-time is distorted, we can indirectly study dark matter. For example, we can observe how stars spin around the center of galaxies. If you look at any spinning object, like a figure skater, you know that the bits at the edge are moving faster than the bits in the middle. That's because the further you are from the center of an object, the weaker the gravitational pull. So, if you're far out on a planet's equator, you're not being pulled as much towards its center as someone standing at the North Pole. And that means you're free to spin a bit faster. Stars and galaxies are kind of like that. The further they are from the center of the galaxy, the faster they should spin. But observations show us that stars orbit in the outer regions of galaxies way faster than they should. Something unseen is either adding mass to the galaxies or altering space-time itself. And scientists think that something is dark matter. In fact, scientists have several observations that hint at the existence of dark matter. There's also something called gravitational lensing. When a massive object warps space-time, it bends the path of light rays passing by. That means if you have a galaxy cluster in the foreground of a really distant galaxy, the gravity of the cluster would distort the light from the background galaxy, making it look like a giant magnifying glass. Scientists can then use this effect to detect dark matter by looking for distortions in very distant galaxies. And there's also the cosmic microwave background, the afterglow of the Big Bang. This is a snapshot of the universe when it was just 400,000 years old. And scientists have studied it for decades to try and understand its tiny details. One feature in particular stands out. It's a pattern of peaks and valleys across the entire sky. Scientists believe this pattern was created by sound waves in the early universe. But you'd only get that pattern if there was a lot more matter around in the early universe than there is now. Again, scientists think that something has to be dark matter. So that's why scientists believe in dark matter. But what exactly is it? Well, no one knows for sure. But there are lots of ideas. One idea is that dark matter is made of particles called WIMPs, short for weakly interacting massive particles. These are hypothetical particles that we have yet to discover. They would have a very weak interaction with normal matter, which is why we can't see them, but they would still exert a gravitational pull. Another idea is that dark matter is made of axions. Axions are also hypothetical particles, but they're even more elusive than WIMPs. Some scientists also theorize that dark matter isn't made of particles at all. Maybe it's something completely unknown. Maybe it's a new type of energy or a new force of nature. Until we can see dark matter directly, anything's possible. And while we don't know what dark matter is, we do know that it's important. It's not just some obscure physics. Dark matter shapes galaxies. In fact, scientists think that most of the matter in the universe is dark matter. It's just that we can't see it. Maybe one day we will discover exactly what dark matter is made of. Maybe it will turn out to be a new particle or a new force of nature. But until then, we can keep looking for answers. And maybe one day we'll find them. So, what do you think? Is dark matter a hidden particle or something beyond our imagination? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more Science Explained Simply. Thanks for watching. See ya!